Welcome to Mediverse. Right now, I'm going to explain Primary 5 Mastery Math. Okay, so this question is gifted question because it's a little bit tricky to solve. Okay, let's solve together. After I explain, so you will understand easily. So let's see. Larry had thrice as many sweets as Bella at first. After he gave Bella some sweets. We don't know how many sweets. So at the time, he was left with 3 buying for as many sweets as Bella. So in this case, you have to know one thing. It is numerator 3 is the front one. He means Larry. Denominator 4 is the back one, Bella. Okay? So in this case, after given, Larry is 3 units, and then Bella is 4 units. You have to know about it. We need to find what fraction of Bella's sweets in the end was from Larry. So in this sentence, you have to think one more thing, but let it be. So let's solve these two sentences first. Okay, so this problem is called before change after question. Okay, what is it? Before change after. Okay, Larry and Bella. Okay, so before, let me write here. Before what? Before given. Before given, Larry is thrice as many sweets as Bella, which means Larry 3 units, and then Bella is 1 unit. This is before given. So we have change. So change. What change? Larry gave Bella. Okay. So Larry gave Bella, which means Larry decreased amount and then Bella increased amount. We don't know what amount is that. It is change. And then after changing, that's why we call after. Okay, let me write here. So after changing, what happened? Okay, what happened? After changing, Larry is 3 units. So Larry, 3 units. And then Bella is 4 units. Okay, another one important thing. So Larry gave Bella, they are exchanging value between them, right? So for example, you and me. Okay, I have 10. You have 20. If you give me 5, okay, if you give me 5, I will be 15. You will be also 15. So what do you notice? In this case, we are exchanging the amount you give me, right? So the main point is total. Okay, look at that. Before given, total is 30. After given, total is also 30. That's the point. This is very important. So like this. So Larry and Bella. So total, we have to think about total. So 3 units, 1 units, and then altogether 4 units. Here, look at that. 3 units, 4 units, altogether 7 units. Are they same? No, they are not same. So what should we do? We have to change to be same. Okay? So 4 and 7, in what way can we change to be same? Yes, common multiple. What is the very first common multiple of 4 and 7? 28. Yes. So you have to change 4 units to 28 units. You have to change 7 units to 28 units too. So 4 to 7. Okay, I mean 4 to 28. It is times 7. That's why you have to multiply this also times 7. 1 unit times 7 is 7 units. And then this is also 3 unit times 7 is 21 units. Are you clear? So look at that, 21 units, 7 units, altogether 28 units. Like this. 7 to 28, it is times 4, right? That's why 4 times 4 is 16, and then 3 times 4 is 12. So 12, 16, 28. Right now, everyone, we get the same total. 28 units, 28 units. So we have to solve by using these. Okay, right now we are about to begin. Let's see, everyone. The question is, what fraction of Bella's suite? Of Bella. That's why, okay, so the answer is, it must be fraction. So, of Bella, that's why Bella must be denominator. Okay, and then in the end, okay, Bella must be in the end value. West from Larry. From Larry, that's why numerator must be Larry. From Larry means not Larry total amount. Larry gave amount. Okay, so let's see. Larry gave amount. Larry is at first 21. Right now 12. How many gave? 21 to 12? 9 gave. That's why Larry is 9. And then Bella. Bella is in the question in the end. Bella in the end is 16. So that's why here is 16. If you simplify, how to simplify? Can we simplify? No. So we cannot. So that's why 9 by 16 is the answer. Do you understand? Okay, so this problem is before change after question. So you have to consider before and after. What is the main point? The main point is you have to change to be same total. Okay, so if you know that concept, you can solve further problems like this. Okay, this video can help you a lot, I suppose. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.